So what's everyone doing with their quarantine? I know that I'm just building pretend parties in my backyard. But first, I'm going to show you some of my rental products that'll be featured during this video. You're going to see some whiskey barrels in this video. So I use the Rockville uplights. They're just simple little budget uplights, but they do the trick. So when you're making a video like this, the Mr. and Mrs. letters, you know, you don't have another way to market them. It's like just pop them in the video and then all of a sudden they're flying off the shelves, right? Okay, so the lights here, they're from Walmart. They're called Home Trends Mini Globe Lights. They come on a roll here. The roll is 31.5 feet and there's 100 little mini lights on here. And then the other lights that we're using are just from Costco. They're LED string lights. All right, let's get into the video. What's up, everybody? It's Lee here. I am the bartending, photo boothing rental guy. Since we're limited to only having events of a certain size, let's see what we can do in our backyard with a pop-up tent. Better yet, I'm gonna do a setup in my backyard and then I'm gonna show you how I market my setup on video. And then you can do this too. Due to the world's current situation, this might be a way to benefit out of it, advertising backyard weddings. So if you do a mock setup, then people can see what you have, how it's set up, and get a vision of how it's going to work in their backyard. We're going to install tent walls here, window tent walls onto the tent. So if you look, there's a Velcro piece on the tent top here. You just want to stick the Velcro from the tent wall in between the two pieces of Velcro from the tent top there. Okay, so as you see, we've got one tent wall kind of on here. And then it's looped here through the little loops so that it stays kind of in position. There's loops here that are looped on. And then right at this end here is the zipper. So we're gonna zipper tent walls together and then tuck it underneath this here. There's a zipper right here and an end right here. So we're just gonna put them together there. Okay, so let's tuck in the corner here now. Okay, so now we're just gonna get all the loops on. All right, next wall. This is a 10 by 20 pop-up tent. Specifically with window walls from Impact Canopies. So pop-up tent window walls, that's what we have here. So they have two plastic windows. You can see they're decent quality. So let's hang some string mini globe lights. That'll look sweet. So I'm just gonna attach them using some zip ties. All right, just grab a zip tie and exhibit. globe lighting around the exterior. Window walls. And then we've got the barrels that are the light poles too. You can also turn those into a bar just by adding a bar top onto them. And you see right here, we've got the ratchets. So say that there's a little bit more wind during the night than you would have wanted. Well, you don't want to take a tent down at this point, so we can add ratchets all over the place to it just to secure it, right? So just add a ratchet there, add one there, one on the other side, and then it has some ratchets going down on the inside, as well as weights, walls to secure the wind, lights, even around back here. Parts that you don't even see will be ratcheted, so you can see that there's ratchets out the back of the tent. So we've got a safe little party area for a small backyard party. So now let's take a look at this here. It's a perfect little party package. Can we do more? Oh yeah. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. 3 cocktail tables, the heat lamp, then we've got the 2 tables with 6 chairs at each one. Barrel bar here. It's an 8-foot bar top with just 2 barrels underneath. So what's everyone doing with their quarantine? I know that I'm just building pretend parties in my backyard. Okay, so the imaginary party's starting to look pretty cool here. Okay, so I just literally took all these clips that I filmed from my phone and I added them into iMovie and I strung them together with some royalty-free music, and this is the ad that I came up with. So if you don't feel like making the video on your own, just take the clips and send them to somebody on Fiverr. They'll make a video for you for like $5 to $20. So to advertise this ad, I'm going to upload it to Facebook, to Instagram, and to YouTube. And from there, I'll be able to share it to different platforms. So specifically, I'm going to boost Facebook posts, boost Instagram posts, and I'm gonna share the video in specific Facebook groups. Thanks everyone. If you enjoyed this video, we'll see you on the next one.